Yo, what's up guys? TNT Tropang Giga is set to face a fine after playing in the Abu Dhabi International Basketball Championship without properly informing the PBA. Commissioner Willie Marshall already confirmed na may penalty kasi nga may dalawang violation. First, hindi nagpaalam, and pangalawa, bawal maglaro in outside tournaments within 1 week bago magsimula ang season. From the PBA side, malinaw yung intent ng rule. Player protection, ayaw nilang may masaktan bago mag-opening, especially sa 50th season kung saan kailangan ng liga ng stability at clean image. Kaya kahit tune-up games lang, may clear reminder na wag masyadong intense. TNT ignored that. So in principle, may sanction talaga yung liga. So yung TNT naman joined with an all-Filipino lineup, no imports, and more than anything, para lang makakuha ng game reps. And sa totoo lang, yung competition abroad could even help them na sharpen up heading into the Philippine Cup. And for me, hindi dapat big deal sana to eh. Kaso lang, nasa phase kasi yung liga ng pagbangon eh. Like, on paper, may kasalanan naman talaga yung TNT. Pero imposibleng hindi alam ng liga na merong tournament yung TNT. Tsaka parang parte din yun ng kanilang pre-season. Tsaka gusto nila ng ganung preparation for the season. Yung reasoning na baka may ma-injury is cargo na ng TNT yun. Kasalanan na ng TNT. So basta, nandyan naman sila sa opening at ready to compete naman yung team na yan. Pero imagine niyo maganda yung liga ngayon, maganda yung lakad, walang 4 points, tapos ginawa to ng TNT, tapos nag-fine yung liga. E di parang magiging reaction natin, okay, fine, ganun talaga. So nagiging hysterical kasi yung mga tao ngayon, kasi alam nila yung sitwasyon ng liga, tapos mga ganitong bagay pa yung may headline eh, no? Kaya kahit ako, nagiging 50-50 yung opinion ko eh, kasi may mali naman yung TNT, pero kasi, bakit? Diba? Bakit kailangan pa na multahan? Like, alam nyo yun? So, nagiging 50-50 siya kasi yung sitwasyon niya ng liga. At the end of the day, the fine is, ayun, magbabayad yung TNT, mag-move on, and be ready for opening day. So, this situation highlights na kailangan talaga ng mas maayos na communication between teams and the league. So, kasi kung hindi, simpleng bagay lang, magiging distraction pa yan instead of focusing na lang sa bigger storylines, sa mga new signings, sa team chemistry, kung paano magiging competitive yung buong 50th season ng PBA. Parang ano siya, parang fine, ligang labas, pero team version, buong team yung nagligang labas. So, ayun, ano sa tingin nyo yung balitang ito? Let me know all your thoughts in the comment section below. This is Egon Hoops. See you in the next upload. Bye-bye!